Hey Dad, can I borrow some money? I need it for a few things.
Not this again, son. How many times do I have to tell you? I'm not your personal ATM machine.
What? But Dad, I really need it this time.
I don't care what you need it for. You're always asking for money, and I'm tired of it. It's time you learn to stand on your own 2 feet.
But Dad, I'm your son. You're supposed to help me when I need it.
Helping you doesn't mean giving you handouts every time you ask. It means teaching you how to fend for yourself and take responsibility for your own life.
Fine, then. If you won't help me, I'll find someone who will.
Suit yourself. But remember, son, easy money won't teach you anything about hard work or self-respect.
Whatever, Dad. I'll figure it out on my own.
Listen, son.
I'm not saying this to be cruel. I just want what's best for you. You have so much potential, but you're wasting it by relying on others instead of yourself.
I don't know what to do, Dad. I've never had to work for anything in my life.
I understand, son, but it's never too late to start. You have the ability to do great things if you put your mind to it.
Like what, though? I don't have any special skills or talents.
Everyone has something they're good at, son. It's just a matter of finding what that is and honing it into a valuable skill.
I guess I've always been good with computers. Maybe I could learn some coding and try my hand at web development or app design.
That's a great idea, son. Technology is a rapidly growing field, and there's always demand for skilled professionals. Plus, you can work from anywhere and be your own boss.
Yeah, I like the sound of that. Thanks, Dad. I'll look into it right away.
I'm glad to hear it, son. Just remember, success doesn't come overnight. You'll need to put in the time and effort to develop your skills and build your reputation.
I will, Dad. I promise. And thanks for believing in me.
Anitime, son.
I'll always be here to support you, no matter what.